ChompSaw project packs are curated builds to be made with your ChompSaw and cardboard. They're a great way to kickstart your own creativity while skill building, and every project pack comes with printed patterns and extra components you need to complete the project. Now, I know you're excited to get making, but hold your horses. There are a few things you should know before getting started. First off, we need a way to get these patterns onto cardboard. There are many ways to transfer a pattern, but we recommend roughly cutting around each of the pattern pieces and using a glue stick to stick them to your cardboard. Some pieces have an arrow with the text flute direction nearby. Flutes are the wavy layer inside cardboard and give it different properties in different directions. If you see the flute direction marking, make sure the arrow is oriented like this so the arrow is going the same direction as the lines created by the cardboard flutes. Also, lay out your pieces efficiently to make the most out of your cardboard and to avoid waste. Next, there may be green circles on your pattern, and these tell you where holes should be punched. There are many ways to punch a hole in cardboard, but the Chompshop hole punch tool is certainly our preferred way. It allows punching holes anywhere on your sheet, and it has numbers that correspond with the numbers on the pattern. The pattern has lines with different colors and styles, and they all mean something different. Let's start with this one. Solid black lines are meant to be cut. Try following them with the ChompSaw cutting head, trying to stay right on the line. These blue and red dashed lines are where we're going to crease and fold the parts once cut out. Blue is for mountain folds, so we'll need to crease the opposite side of the cardboard, and red is for valley folds, so we need to crease the top side of the cardboard. Knowing where the blue line is on the opposite side of the cardboard can be achieved with a few tricks. We can mark the endpoints of the line and connect them together, or poke holes where the line should be with a sharp pencil or a thumbtack. It's usually a good idea to pre-fold your cardboard once you've creased it as well. This makes the fold stay in the correct shape and makes assembly easier too. Solid red lines are simply markings that either help you assemble or decorate your parts. Okay, so that covers lines, but what about these filled areas? Crisscross areas show where double-sided tape should be placed on your parts after they've been cut and folded. Yellow fills tell us that the tape should go on the top side, and purple fills tell us that the tape should go on the bottom side. If your pattern is coming loose where you need to put tape, you can always remove it in those areas to ensure a strong connection. These squiggly lines tell you where to remove a top surface to expose the wavy corrugations inside the cardboard. Removing the surface can be done by wedging a folding tool or a pencil in the corrugations and carefully peeling off the layer. Yellow squigglies are for removing the top surface, and purple squigglies are for removing the bottom surface. Areas where there are alternating tick marks show where single-sided tape should be applied. However, wait to do this until your project instructions tell you to. Lastly, all pieces have a letter on them that is used for referencing them in the instructions. They can have a number with an X before them too, which indicates the number of that part we need. So if you see 5XA, that means we need 5 of part A. And copying parts is easy once you have one of them cut out, because then you can just use it as a stencil. To recap, the order we recommend preparing your parts in is 1. Transfer your patterns to cardboard. 2. Punch holes where you see the green circles. 3. Cut your parts along the black lines. 4. Make folds on the top and bottom where you see the dashed lines. 5. Apply double-sided tape on the top or bottom in the crisscross regions. And 6. Remove surfaces in the wavy regions. Be sure to review the printed instructions in case you ever need a refresher on these steps. And with that, I think you're ready to get building.